Hello, friends! Today I want to talk about what inspires us to move forward despite all the challenges that life throws at us. I am sure that each of us has moments when it seems that nothing is working, when motivation disappears and you start to doubt yourself. But these are the moments when real winners are born. You know, there will always be difficulties in life, but every time we fall, we have the opportunity to get back up even stronger. Every obstacle is a chance to become a better version of yourself. If you are on the verge of falling, if you feel tired or frustrated, remember it's temporary. Problems don't stay forever, but our spirit, our desire to achieve more, they are eternal. What helps us move forward? It is our vision of the future. Think about your dreams. Maybe they seem distant or even unattainable, but every step you take today brings you closer to them. It is important to realize that great success does not come overnight. It's a process where small daily victories lead to big achievements. One of the most important things on the road to success is believing in yourself. At times, the world around you may seem cold and hostile. People may not believe in you or even try to discourage you. But you are the only person who needs to know that anything is possible. You have the power to change your life, to overcome any difficulties, if you believe in your abilities. Each of us is unique. We have our own talents and capabilities. It is important not to compare yourself with others, but to focus on your own path. Every day is a new chance. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday and strive to become better. Every day, every time you face a challenge, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Remember your goal, the people you want to make happy, the life you want to create for yourself. This thought will give you strength in the most difficult moments. This is the light inside that will not let you give up. Now imagine that a few years have passed. You have achieved everything you dreamed of. How does it feel? You are at the top, and everything you have experienced, everything you have gone through was worth it. You didn't give up when it was the hardest, and that's why you're here now. Remember that every new day is a new opportunity. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn something new. Your mistakes are not defeats, they are steps on the path to success. And it's up to you to decide what that path will be. So don't be afraid to move forward, even when it's scary or difficult. Don't be afraid to take the first step, because only those who move reach the top. Your life is your work of art, and you are the artist. So don't let anyone or anything stop you on your way. And finally, I want to say, if you are looking for a sign to take action, this is it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until all the circumstances are in your favor. Start now. You have everything you need to achieve what you want. It all starts with the decision to move forward, no matter what. Friends, don't give up. Move towards your dreams. Success is the result of small daily steps, and you are already on this path. Thank you for being with me today. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more motivational videos. Remember, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. See you in the next video.